What's happening, everybody? Y'all know what time it is. Yep, it's Mahlon, Tane, and I got my rib, big boy, and turkey here with me. And today we are replacing your windshield washer fluid squirter. I happened to damage this one when I was removing the lines underneath the hood, and we had to get a new one. Okay, so this is the brand new one. There's the part number and stuff like that. And by the way, we hope everybody's doing well. Let's go ahead and get at it. Just open the hood. Make sure you put your hood stick up, and you just pop these off. Okay. And this is the one I actually destroyed right here. It wasn't premeditated, it was accidental. Anyway, just need a brand new one or some kind of flour or something. We got these clips right here. Can you see that turkey? You just squeeze them, and they actually push out towards the top of the hood. Push it back in. Pull the back in. There we go. There it is. So here is the old one. I'll go ahead and open this up so we can match it up right quick. Ooh, it's nice and shiny. There it is, y'all. It's pretty identical. So we're just gonna go through this hole basically. Obviously on the outside, and boom. That's it. That's how easy it is. It's pretty much similar with all the other vehicles. Okay, and now we just gotta remove that. There it is, and I need to just stick this line on here. And we're back on the road. Don't forget to run it the way it needs to be ran. And that's pretty much it, y'all. Go ahead and slide those back down, and you should be good to go. That's easy enough. So let's look at it from the top. There it is, y'all. Yep, there it is. So, I know the paint needs to be washed and all that stuff. We've been working at it. So, there it is. Windshield washer fluid squirter. Done. With all that being said, y'all remember, take it easy, be safe out there, and be patient. Be patient. And don't forget, you can fix it too. On that note, peace.